Oh, brother, we go beach. Let's go, bro. Oh, crap. Ah. Vanna.
Don't you touch that fun. Oh, don't you touch that fun. Oh, don't you touch that fun. Oh, don't you touch that fun.
That's a friend, we hold up forever. Us against the world, we can be whoever. Together we know we go fair. You know we got our backs, just like this fucking chair. Nobody do it better. Do you wanna eat us with some cheddar? We all suffer those like feathers. We need to grow, come together and we know we can do anything we need. Say oh, bro, cause you really need to know with that fire and hard, can do anything. Oh, watch the chest, nigga. Now it's pretty in the south. But don't you get serious, you need some butter pop.
When the holly tree fruit is ripe, don't you touch that fun. The farmer's meat is so nice, don't you touch that fun. When the holly tree fruit is ripe, don't you touch that fun. The farmer's meat is so nice, don't you touch that fun. Hold on. Tell them the apologies for weaving. We beat it. Triple XL, the holiday came in from the sea. Hey, and see, that's all they ever need. And we undefeated. We be going hard and make it look easy. Girls love your whole face. It's all it's on. For my family won't watch out for the roots. They took a picture for me. For the girls 20 feet. Pass it around the cheese cause the roots are huge. All I have on my head cause I'm a Hawaiian. Oh! Oh, brother, what happened?
Oh, God, this is the one I heard.
Oh, step on the water, bro. Here, let me help you out.